just brought out 8 new colors, and they are in our spa collection. So in November we started the first 8 in our spa collection. They're a muted color palette, so they're kind of toned down colors, and they're made to go together, so that color selection is easy. We also have our party line, which is vibrant saturated inks, and they all go together. So it's really easy to, pick your color palettes. So these are our new colors, and I'm just going to show you how great our inks are. They are a foam pad, and they are great for blending. They stay wet for about 5 seconds or so that gives you time to blend with them. They're also great for embossing because they stay wet for a few seconds. So if you're fast, you can stamp your image, throw your embossing powder on top, and you can emboss with them. Just do a little bit more sponging here. This is our polished. And I'm just going to go straight onto the stamping. So I just cleaned my stamps off here. And so foam pads transfer ink to stamps beautifully, so then you get a great stamped image. And then we're going to take this and we're going to stamp it off for second generation stamping and fill that in.
So, yes, very pretty.
What else was I going to say? Questions? They're dye-based. They're water reactive. Our Midnight is archival. It's waterproof, so you can use it with Copics. When you use it with Copics, make sure you give it some really good dry time. I do find I'll let it dry and I'm too quick to come in with my Copics and it'll smear, so if you have any smearing, it's just because you didn't let it dry quickly enough.
Do you need to heat set it?
Waterproof? Yes. Yes.
I'm not the person.
Yeah. So what was I doing? What else? Did I cover it all?
So, just to recap, embossable?
Yes, if you're fast.
If you're fast. Water reactive?
Yes.
Black is waterproof?
Yes.
And Copic friendly?
Yes.
Okay, that's 4 yeses. We'll take it. Thank you.
So another thing about the black is, since it's permanent, it will stain your stamps. And because these are foam pads, they're squishy. So if you are using black and you push hard, you're going to get ink all over the place and it's going to stain. So a really light tap is all you need.
Do you recommend maybe using a stamp positioner to create a lighter touch so you don't overstamp?
Totally, yeah.
An option?
Absolutely,
okay.
Yeah. I use my Misty all the time. Yeah, and we have blocks too. If you've never seen these blocks, they're new. So.
And how often do you release new colors?
New colors, we don't have a real set schedule. We released 3 collections last year, and this year we have 1 so far.
Okay.
So we don't.
And are they sold individually or in sets?
Yes.
Another yes!
Yes. So you can buy just the ink pad. You can buy the ink pad and the ink refill.
Okay.
You can buy the pad and refill, or you can buy the whole collection, just pads, just refills, pads and refills.
Oh my gosh, so many options.
So many options.
And what is the MSRP on the stamp pads?
So these are $6.
And refills?
$6, and these are $4.50. And then if you bundle, there's a slight discount.
Those
So
discounts are nice.
Yeah.
That's another big yes.
Yes.
All right, thank you so
Thanks.
much. Bye-bye.